Welcome to our YouTube page where we're going to show you new products, DIYs, and so much more. Today we're showing you new ribbons that have hit the store already for St. Patrick's Day and for Mardi Gras. You can find all this on our website right now. We have lots of new St. Patrick's ribbons that are perfect for wreath making, for arrangements. We have them in 1.5 inch and in 2.5 inch. We have them in patterns and we have them in beautiful prints like this clover and then this polka dot. They pair well together. We love mixing our prints and mixing a pattern with a printed ribbon just to really make things pop. Also, most of the ribbons you'll find on our website are wired, and this just makes things so much easier to mold and shape when you're trying to make wreaths or arrangements. If you'd like to shop these ribbons, be sure to shop at www.tmigifts.com. Also, don't forget to use code SHIP23. That way you can receive free shipping when you spend $50 or more. Check out our website for more St. Patrick's Day wreath and decor. Now, if you like to decorate for Mardi Gras, we have some beautiful 2.5 inch, 4 inch, and 1.5 inch ribbons that are also wired on the edging so that it makes it easy for shaping and molding. But I love this ribbon right here. It's our Mardi Gras ribbon, and it is a velvet feel with the sparkly Mardi Gras on top. You cannot go wrong with this ribbon. Pair it with this 1.5 inch sparkly ribbon or even a mesh netting if you're designing a wreath. These two ribbons paired together are absolutely perfect. I love the 1.5 inch diamond Mardi Gras ribbon with the jester legs tinsel 2.5 inch ribbon. These two paired together are such a statement. Shop all your crafts and supplies at www.tmigifts.com, and thank you for watching.